Well, what we're doing today, we are transplanting these fig plants, brown turkey figs plants, into this grow bag here. Now it's just about 4 times larger than this pot. And these figs, the tree gets up to about 10 to 20 feet tall, but we won't see that here. We just most likely will be having these fig plants around, mainly just to look at them, unless one day we move them to a larger property. So that's what we're doing today. I have 2 fig plants, and I'm gonna fill them up with soil, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I guess it's about 90 degrees out here, maybe 93 degrees here in Central Florida. And I've only been out here a few minutes, and it's very humid today. That's what we have here. Put a little potting soil on it. Miracle Grow. Oh yeah, that's good stuff there. Miracle Grow. Potting soil. So we got 2 grow bags here. Also some black cow. Always use a little of this black cow, and you'll have no problems having a green thumb. Just get you some black cow. That's the secret to having a green thumb. Okay, so we put some black cow in here. All right. What else we got here? Perlite. Put a little perlite in here. Oh yeah, that's enough. Get your little perlite. So you can have well-drained soil. Okay. And we're gonna get a little of this peat moss. Peat moss. I got these fig plants about 2 months ago. And they've been sitting here in the pots, and I got to give them a little more room to grow. Okay, so we got peat moss, you got perlite, you got black cow, and you got a green thumb. Okay, we're gonna mix this up a little. So all you gotta do is mix it up a little. Let's mix it up. You're planting figs today. Okay, I'll mix it up. Let's mix it up. Okay. Mix it up. That looked great. A very important part here. Now, I don't want to disturb the soil when I take the plants out the pot. I don't want the soil to break up. So sometimes I cut the pot, you know, and because it's very important for these plants, I don't want to disturb the soil at all. Sometimes you can save the pot and you don't have to cut them, but today we're going to cut the pots. We're not going to chance it by the soil getting disturbed. So all you have to do is take your hand clippers, nice set of hand clippers. Always keep some of these around. So you're going to cut this pot here. Okay. Say, well, you're losing money by cutting the pot. Well, I'd rather lose a couple of dollars than lose the plant. So we're going to cut this pot. Let's go one end. We're cutting the pot because the plant is more valuable than the pot. And it's extremely humid here in Central Florida. And most days it's about 95 degrees or more. So we cut the pot. Everybody can see that. We're cutting the pot. Make sure everybody can see it. Sometimes people say, oh, I didn't see that. Okay, I want to make sure you see this. Cut the pot. Let's cut the pot. Let's keep cutting. See that? Now, what you want to do, cut it a little more. Cut it a little more. See, you don't want to disturb that soil there. You don't want this plant to be under much stress. Okay, so cut the pot there. Look at that. I'm only going to do one today. I'm only going to do one. I'm not going to take up much of your time. Just going to do one. Okay, set your pot down and get your spade and just make a special place for this plant. A special place. A special place for the plant. Okay, look at that. I don't know if you can see that hole, but just dig a special hole for the plant, the size of the plant. The ball of the plant can go in, okay? We got it here. And be very careful taking it out. And set the ball of the plant. See that? Set the ball of the plant directly in the grow bag. That's wonderful. And then you get you some dirt. And just fill it up. Let's fill it up. If you got gloves, you can put your gloves on and give it a good pack down. Give it a good pack down. I hope everybody can see this. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm gonna lift it up a little so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, you see that there? Make sure you pack it down now. Got it right in the center. That's one. And pack it down. There you go. Look at that. A green thumb all day long. Green thumb all day long. There you go. And the only thing you have to do is put a little fertilizer on it and a little water. Water in the morning. If you want to see more videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.